Meaning of honourably.
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 Honourably. Honourably is an adverb that describes an action or behavior as being characterized by honor, integrity, and righteousness. To act honorably means to conduct oneself with dignity and respect towards others and to uphold ethical principles and values. When someone behaves honorably, it reflects positively on their character, reputation, and standing in the community. Conversely, acting dishonorably can lead to damage of one's reputation and jeopardize their relationships with others. In short, acting honorably is an admirable quality that demonstrates one's moral fortitude and establishes their trustworthiness and reliability.